Hey there, educators. Mrs. Gleason here, and I want to show you how to kind of jazz up your desktop, organize a little by turning your folders into icons that you can easily recognize. So if you notice over here, I have a videos folder and an ideas folder. And right now they are just a blue folder. And so then I would have to read it to try to find out, what folder I'm looking at. So instead, I'm going to grab some photos. And so I searched video icon here, I clicked on it, and I drag it over to my desktop. And now I'm going to grab another picture, and so I'm going to get a light bulb icon. So if I choose light bulb, and then I'm going to find one that I want to use. And once I find the one that I like, click on it. And I don't want one that has copyright on it, so I'm gonna find a different one. I do like having the yellow though, so there we go. That's a good one to grab. And I click on it and drag it over. And notice that they both say .jpg. Sometimes it comes over a web file, so you have to grab a different one to use that. All right, so now that I have those, I need to click on one that I'm going to use. And when you open it up, you need to click on the markup button. And one little trick is if you don't want this white part of the icon, so the background, if you click this little magic wand and just drag a little, and then hit delete on your keyboard, it's going to turn it into a PNG. And then you are going to go up to edit, select all, and for this one, I want my icon to just be the space that is right around the icon, so then it'll be nice and large on my computer so I can see it a little better. So I'm going to choose right there, and then I'm going to go back up to edit, and this time I'm going to choose copy. So now I've copied that, and I can get rid of that. And now I'm going to go on to my videos folder, and I'm going to control click on it, and I'm going to click get info. And then up here in the upper left hand corner of it, you see the little video file. I click on that, now it's highlighted. And now I'm going to go to edit and paste. And now, if you notice, it shows up here in preview. And also, when you go over here now, my videos icon is that. So that's a quick site for finding that one. We're going to do that one more time with my other folder. So this time I want the light bulb for ideas. So I'm going to double click on that. And then I'm going to choose the markup button. And I'm going to go, this time I'm going to keep the background and I'm not turn it to a PNG. So I'm going to go up to edit, select all. And I am going to go back to edit and choose copy. And then I'm going to go back to my folder, my ideas folder, and I'm going to control click on it, choose get info. And let's see, hit back here. Here it is, my ideas folder. I'm going to click on the folder so it's gray now. And I'm going to go up to edit and paste. And now my ideas folder is a light bulb. I'm going to get rid of both of my pictures that I grabbed, so we don't need those anymore. And now I can put all my work in my videos folder and my ideas folder, and I can find them so much easier on my desktop. All right, as always, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions.